Hey, what's up guys, my name is Swasto and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video we will see that how we can install and configure the Moboxx on a smartphone. So Moboxx is very much faster and easy to use comparing with the Block 64 right? So with the help of the Moboxx, you can install and run any kind of PC game or software on a smartphone anytime, anywhere. So today's video is a full step-by-step tutorial on how to install and configure the Moboxx, and also I will give you a gameplay video of the Assassin's Creed Rogue on the smartphone using the Termex Moboxx. Okay, so before starting this video guys, I have a small request to all of you. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and you will also find my new blog channel link in the description. Just go and watch my videos and comment down whatever you feel. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting any more time. Here you can see guys, we are a smartphone. So let's open any of your favorite browser and see how we can install the Moboxx and set up on a smartphone. So just search Google here, type here google.com, and here you have to type Moboxx GitHub. Okay, just open the first result, go below, you will find all details regarding this Moboxx repository. You can read all of them. So what I will do, I firstly download the Termex app, download it. Similarly, you also have to download Termex, then Termex X11, then input bridge. Okay, now you have to copy the command given below. So before that, just go to the downloads, let me install the Termex app and then Termex X11. So once the installation is complete, just go back to the GitHub profile, and here you have to copy the command. Now open the Termex app, click on allow, paste that command here and hit enter. Click on allow and give it permission to access the files. Now it will install the Termex packages. It will take some time to install all the files, so just wait here and let it complete. So here you can see guys, the installation is completed. So you'll find different things here like settings, manage packages. So I will go to the settings and show you some steps here. You will find direct settings, wine prefix setting. So in direct settings, you will find the details related compatibility of the Moboxx. So you can set it to performance mode or the compatibility mode or even the default mode. You can read all of these things here and go back. We'll start the wine here. So wait here, it will take some time to configure for the first time. So you just have to wait here for a few minutes. So here you can see installing all the required things like DirectX or the physics or virtual C, Redis True. So these all things are required to run any game. Now click on allow. So you can see it's not coming in the full screen. So you have to set up the Termex X11 first. So go to Termex X11, touch and hold on it, go to the preferences, click on display resolution mode, select exit, set the display resolution to 1080x 1280x 720, click on stretch to fit display, turn on the full screen on device display and go below and turn off the show additional keyboard. Okay, now you're good to go. Now go back to your screen and reopen the Termex X11. Now you can see it's on full screen. So you have to firstly install a few things here. First go to install, go to DXVK async and install the DXVK Gplay async. So it's up to you, whatever you want to install, just install any of it and just test your game. So it might be possible for some of them it will not work with any particular DXVK version. Now go to Termex XVK and here install the Virtual Mesa 24, the latest one. So you can install anyone, just have to make the right configuration for your any game. So here I install these two. So most of the game is going to work with these two, you don't need to be worried about it. Now it will restart. Now I will show you how to configure the input bridge for the controls. Okay, so first you have to install it input bridge from that GitHub repository, and once the installation will complete, you have to go to the Google and you have to search for input bridge profiles. Okay, so you have to download any particular input bridge profile So first of all, I will go to my home screen. Let me open the input bridge, and here you can see you will find all the profiles details. Here you can import also different profiles. So one thing you have to make sure that if you are installing input bridge for the first time, you have to have the installation folder of the input bridge that you will find in the download folders. You can see in the D, you can see I have the input bridge folder, and inside you can see I have installer folder. So to get this installer folder, what you have to do, you have to go to the input bridge and select the home button. Click on copy installer to root folder, the blue button that you can see here. Click on it. It will copy that installer folder to download folder. Okay, once it's done, you have to open that installer folder and install the required tools for the input bridge. Okay, so as I can see, I already have the input bridge running. I'm not going to install it again. Now I'm going to show you a gameplay video of a game that is Assassin's Creed Rogue. So you must have to on the game to play the game, because this channel does not promote any kind of piracy. So you can see I have multiple games here. So for this video, I'm going to give a quick demo of the gameplay on the Moboxx. So I'm going to open the Assassin's Creed Rogue, and in the upcoming videos I will show the gameplay videos of different games. So guys, enjoy the gameplay from here. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it, and this is the way you can install and configure the Moboxx on your smartphone. So Moboxx doesn't require any kind of root permission, so you can install it and play any game anywhere on any smartphone. So in this video you've seen how to set up, and in upcoming videos you will see the different gameplay videos of different game. And if you have any special request for any game, you can just comment down below. I will try to make a video on it. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you will never miss any kind of this video. And you will also find my Instagram profile link in the description. Just go and follow me there and message me if you face any kind of difficulties. I will try to help as much people I can. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.